Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Messing with Meats. Today we're going to do things a little backwards. I'm going to give a review on what we cook today, and then I will show you the process after. So let's take a peek at what the finished product looks before we even make it. So there we have 2 Muffin Tin Eggs. You got my coffee over there on the left. Let's go Blues. And then I'm going to use a little hot sauce today with it. So here we go. All right, so give my hot sauce a little shake. Put a little bit on top. And we're going to dive in. Now, since you haven't seen the process yet, these Muffin Tin Eggs have eggs, obviously, sausage, green peppers, and onions. So here we go. I'm just kidding. It's not bad. Pretty good. If you don't like hot sauce, then obviously don't put hot sauce on it. But I do. So one thing I will say is, if you continue to watch the video, you'll see that I don't saute or cook the green peppers or onions before I put them into the muffin tins. I would suggest doing that. The onion I used was really strong, and that's carrying over even through the 15-minute cooking process. So I would saute the peppers and onions before you throw them in there, if you use them. Somebody wants to say hello. What's up, dude? You sit? Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Shake. Oh. Big guy. Say bye. Say bye. So these Muffin Tin Eggs are awesome for making ahead of time. I make them usually on a Sunday, and then I can have them throughout the week. Just pop them in the microwave for a minute, and then you have all your breakfast in one. So you get your sausage, your egg. If you want to use bacon, these are really customizable. So whatever you want in them, you can make them. I've made them just eggs before, nothing else, and they work just fine too. So yeah, super great for like meal prep. If you're really in a crunch, my brother makes these, and what he does is he ends up just taking them on the go because he gets up late. He doesn't wake up but maybe 15 minutes before he has to leave. So he'll get them out. Some days I don't think he even warms them up, but he just gets them out, takes them on the go, eats them on the way to work. So if mornings are tough for you, this is the way to go. These turned out pretty good, besides the fact that, like I said, I would cook the peppers and onions beforehand just to kind of maybe loosen some of that, the natural sugars in both, so they're not so strong and earthy. But other than that, it turned out really good. So enjoy the making of, and have a great weekend. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's start by heating this pan up. Pork sausage, meat, that's what we like. Dump that in the pan. I am actually going to season this sausage with a little crushed red pepper. And also some black pepper. So there we have our brown sausage, and that'll be ready to go into our egg muffin tin. Here I've already sprayed the muffin tin. I always spray it first just so that the eggs pop out nice and easy. So we're now gonna crack these eggs into our muffin tin holes. What are you doing? Sit down. Sit. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good puppy. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. There we have all of our eggs in the tin. I like to take a fork, give the yolks a little whisk. That way it disperses the yolk throughout the egg as you cook them. That way you don't just have just one circular yolk whenever you're eating it. It's spread out. So again, we have a yellow onion. If you haven't noticed already, green pepper, onion, two of my favorite things to put in food. We're gonna chop both of these pretty small. Next for the green pepper. Clearly these are not done, but one way you can check them is you take a toothpick, put it in the middle, and if it comes out clean, they're done. Didn't come out clean, not done. All right, let's check these bad boys out. Oh yeah, they're done. And there you have it. Muffin tin eggs, sausage, peppers, onions, cheese. Breakfast all in one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great week.